So hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Moto, and you can see here it's a very special box. I think as of now you are not able to see what's inside the box, but yes, I have a very special product this time. You can see here this is a Realme branding, and obviously this is a Realme Bud 1. So you can see here this is the packaging of Realme Bud 1, and obviously I'll tell you the price also, but let's have a first look on the product itself. So packaging is nice. You are getting here yellow fancy package of this product. So basically you can see here at the top there is a logo of the products what inside the box. So if you can see box inside the box, it is also of an very good color, and you can see here this is earphone basically. So you can move it like this. Okay. So yeah, you are getting here some paperwork, and obviously it will be extra buds what you are getting with it. So let's have a look on earbuds also. So you are here getting two extra earbuds, and now have a look at the main component, which is earphone itself. So you can see here build quality seems to be very nice, and here you are getting yellow color ribbon. So overall this main part is looking very good, and you can see here if you can listen this sound. So it also has a magnetic support, you can just feel it. So now have a look at connector. Basically, is it a gold or normal? So it's a silver color, not gold this time, and the wires is I think made up of cable. It's not a cable. It is coated by some cotton. So definitely you will get here best build quality, and as per the strength, this many part of the earphone, I'm telling you, this from here to the end of the earphone is very strong, and this part, upper part, is normal cable what generally you see in the most of the earphones, right? And here you can see these are the buttons, and at the back you can see this is Realme badging over here, and one microphone, and there are three buttons which are tactile. You can listen to sound. So overall you can see it was the review and of the strength and the look of the earphone. So I'll have to go through the sound quality. So honestly I'm telling you, the sound quality of the earphones are very good. I've already experienced these earphones before, so I think it was a bit informative for you. And if you like this video, please don't forget to hit like button, and please subscribe my channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching the video. This is Arun signing off. Bye bye, see you in the next video. Thank you.